In this video, we're going to take a look at how to get started with the Kahn Academy app. First, you need to download the app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Kahn Academy. That's the app you want right there. You're going to download it. Now that the app has downloaded, let's go in and take a look around. First thing you see, it says sign in. Now, you don't have to sign in, but we recommend you sign in because it will allow you to keep track of your progress as well as to join a class. Once you join a class, we can keep track of your attendance hours, and instructors will also be able to tailor lessons to meet your study needs. So let's sign in. You can sign up with Google if you have a Gmail account, Facebook, or some other email address. I'm going to sign up with Google. Click continue. And I've got a few options, so I'm going to choose one. Now, I'm going to go to home because this will allow me to choose my classes. You can do it two ways. You can either start with My Courses, click on Get Started, or you can browse Kahn Academy. Let's click on Get Started. So that's what grade you're in. I'm going to choose Adult Learner. And I'm needing to work on my grammar a little bit. There's the course. Click Done. Now you can see in My Courses, I've got grammar. All right, so now we're in the class, but we need to join a specific class. If we don't join a specific class, then our instructor won't be able to count attendance hours and they won't be able to tailor any lessons to what I might need specifically. So, how do we do that? You go to Profile, then up in the corner you see the setting icon. Go to Manage Teachers. You're going to tap Add Teacher. Now at this point, you need a code. Your teacher should have sent you a specific code. All right, I've got my code in. I click Add, and I should be all set.